Tidak ada kebun ganja. Oke.
So it's
Bikin
now two
semua
without
ini.
reply. Yeah, we've seen it
Lopez
before.
tapi
That
Lopez
wouldn't
tuh
give you a fragile scoreline.
juga
But
jadi
now that they have that
SMA
extra push,
SMP di
two should
apa?
Kim dan Jones ini satu angkatan.
Kesini sudah apa tuh?
YouTube.
Masnya SMP di apa?
No, it's
Oh,
been
yeah.
cut out.
Iya tuh.
Oke. Siapa?
Kim satu angkatan.
Offside there.
SMP ini.
Defenders look pretty
Dia
relieved.
sampai di mana nih?
Kampung tuh.
Aduh, memang.
That's it out.
SMA juga.
Now the counter-attack.
Dia
Nice
tidak
one,
kenal.
kept his back down.
Sakal. Gara-gara joget di Lagu tuh.
Bukan gara-gara kami kan tinggal di sana tapi jadi itu tapi kan pindah rumah tuh dekat teman.
Pass cut out.
Dan bedanya saya kan mau disuruh ada teman kami bikin teman ada rumah kontrakan ada psikolog bisa teman di sini di kelas biasa ada teman.
Halo bro, selamat malam. Selamat.
Tahu kontrakan tuh
Now he's ready for a shot.
dia yang tahu kontrakan dikasih tahu itu teman ya orang bilang orang yang dapet sampai dia bilang ada di kelas.
Halo, mau tanya-tanya silakan tanya-tanya saya.
Wah, kenapa kok bilang di dekat sama sahabat di mas di kamu dia udah tinggal kan saya sudah ke rumah lama.
Nanti tanggal 5 ada lagu baru bro.
Oh, nah, dapat cerita pindah ke
Tanggal 5, tanggal 5.
Untuk pas nanti ke pacar.
Tanggal 5 bulan ini bro.
Datang kan
Soalnya lagi menghibur bro.
Rodrigo. Now a chance for a cross. This is lovely passing to watch. And it's gone out for a goal kick.
Bukan tinggal rumah itu kan saya sudah punya pos tuh lah.
Plays this
Yang
forward.
dulu semati. Itu kok dia bilang tinggal tuh tapi ada punya itu punya apa? Punya kakak juga punya mama.
Terus.
85 minutes on the watch now. Ready through. Great chance for a counter.
Yang duduk sini. Tergantung yang teman Lopez.
Up there. Chance.
Banyak tuh agak
No, it's
bersifat
been cut out.
Offside. Terus.
Slightly past the
Itu
defense.
yang biara mau.
Rodrigo.
Kayak di jalan.
Here's Tony
Terus kayak
Kroos.
Mas Tero.
Alonso. Botelho.
Siap-siap bro, ditunggu bro. Semoga bisa terhibur dengan editan sederhana saya.
Went out fully focused, put everything into the contest. And they come
Nanti besok tanggal 5 tuh lagu lagu Spanyol saya edit. Judulnya El Amante. Soalnya sudah finish tapi masih tunggu jarak. 4 hari sekali baru saya upload. Pokoknya tiap kali 4 hari, 1 minggu tuh uploadnya 1 kali. Jadi lewat 4 hari saya upload,
Belas kan mas beli ya. Nah segitu ya.
Gue tahu 2017 kah?
Atau sih mah harusnya 2016.
Iya, berarti
Sebenarnya kita ini satu angkatan.
iya saya tahu.
Oke bro, salam balik dari Lembata, tapi saya di Jogja.
Aduh. Tidak belum ada dari kemarin guys.
Ini mati kalau bisa ini.
Mira tuh mati. Kemarin Portugal, tapi Portugal so out. Sekarang saya dukung Inggris. Ini tahun Inggris yang angkat Euro, bukan Spanyol, bukan Italia.
Main jadi kayak PSBB sampai tanggal 20.
Nanti kalian sendiri menilai bro, soalnya sudah selesai. Sekarang lagi main PS, jadi tidak bisa buka.
1 bulan tuh. Gue udah bisa sebelum tapi nanti juga kan terus ini bulan juga. Jadi itu. Sebelum pernah tahu tuh. Oke, mau pernah kita dua.
Ya Chelsea bu. Ini kan stadion.
Ini Leicester City dong.
Lanjut. Pernah kita gimana tuh? Ada ketemu mereka dua selfie di jalan tuh. Dia sekarang itu siapa belum teman kita udah bilang orang ya. Aku udah ngomong itu macam itu lagi ya tidak.
Itu Lopez masuk Pak, kamu terus lupa.
Nah.
Kamu.
Itu sekarang sharing kartu.
I'm John Champion. Jim Beglin's the co-commentator for this, and we're at Santiago Bernabeu. Hi John, really glad to be here. Let's hope these teams show up a real cracker. Dangerous pass. We're in a good position to give the free kick. The flag stays down. A vital interception that. Great chance for the counter. Plays it through. Good through ball.
Iya bro.
And his shot off target.
Soalnya
Well, the lead-up was good. The idea was good. But the same clearly can't be said for the execution. Well, I think the early signs have been very good for them. They've already got that defense unsettled. Now they've got to back it up.
sekarang saya pilih Inggris sekarang.
Angelo. This is lovely passing to watch. Wants to get this forward.
Benzema.
Here's Benzema. Rodrigo.
dengar sih kamu dari PS में kamu kan udah jajan tuh
Tony
udah
Cruz.
jajan main ber PS kamu tameng main tuh kata Texas wajib mau kami wajib baru sekarang tuh mana pun tamu tuh orang
And he shoots from there. That's 1-0.
Hah? Itu tuh di rumah situ depan.
That is
Apa di
the
SMA kayak gini?
top draw finish. Although
Mereka tuh
clearly
kontak
the
sama
goal was without problems there. There were so many bodies in front of them. You couldn't see it.
Gol kan. Kita keluar. Keluar.
Itu sempat ini sih kita dalam itu
So we resume.
Halo,
at 1-0.
selamat malam,
Under
guys.
some of the pressure, but they need to maintain their work rate. It's been very good up to now. It's on for it. Marcelo. It's through.
dan belum tahu
Tony Cruz. Good work creating the counter attack.
kan digunakan jangan ini belum tahu
Lifted over the keeper.
saya tekan apa nih
Like striking along the
aduh katanya
just not got the elevation required.
sekarang ada di
Oh, it's such a pity that
ini
because
tuh
it would have been a
tapi
really,
tahu
really stylish
kita
goal.
tahu
They pulled it off.
ini virusnya mereka tidak percaya masyarakat timur tidak percaya mau itu masyarakat terus bidang-bidang dan naik status musuh
Tony Cruz.
Mau di komputernya juga meminta.
Ya tadi.
What a reprieve that was. I think the coach will be really annoyed with that kind of sloppiness to allow a shot like that.
Angela.
That's a throw.
Saan ka?
Just over 15 minutes remaining in the first half. A fine display of slick passing. Balls with Tony Cruz. This is very pleasing on the eye. Suma. No, it was cut out.
Ah,
Got it. Here's Benzema. Marcelo. Rodrigo. Intercepted. Foul. With an easy decision to make. Referee just wants to have a word with him by the looks of it. Probably about keeping his composure and his temper in check. Fires it from distance. Not this time.
That's a pretty powerful effort because he really got hold of that one, but it's not going to trouble the keeper from there.
No, that wasn't the best of passes. He's got in. Wonderful through ball over the top. Benzema. Nearly, but in football terms, nearly is nowhere.
Well, he's usually pretty good from any distance, but it just didn't happen for him there.
Angelo, already a goal scorer in this match.
lewat. Jangan lama.
Albright. Tries to slide it past the defence. Late foul there. Here's a ball in. Modric. Angelo. Marcelo. Slick passing on display. What can they make of it? Looking to carve open the defence.
Halo, selamat malam saudara-saudara.
Yes, we've only got the one goal, but it's the managers who can now make the real difference in this second
Nah,
half.
ini sebenarnya.
Tight old game this. 1-0 the score.
Ini jam berapa nih? Jam 1.
When we go in the second half then as they look to try to kill the game off. Sloppy pass. Intercepted. This is very pleasing on the eye. Tony Cruz makes the interception.
Terlambat.
Fardi kau tu pantasan Inggris terpakai.
Sergio Ramos. Some slick passing on display. What can they make of it? Looking towards the
Saya
penalty area now.
salah satu yang tahu.
Here's Modric. And it's come back off the bar. Albright.
Mana kartu merah tuh. Merah.
A card. Oh, it's a
Satu
red.
merah pun.
He's been sent off.
Lagi di kos, bro.
A reckless challenge.
Denmark so out. Belum. Denmark bosku. Woi, mantap. Inggris yang ambil piala nanti. Lagi di kos, bro, di Jogja.
And he'll shoot. That's a miss.
Sir Cekole.
A fine display of slick passing. Marcelo.
Neymar itu dukung siapa?
Marcelo. Now the counter attack.
Iya.
Heading now for the finish.
Maju.
Itu
Very
nih.
easy on the eye, but I think they're just
Right.
missing something a little more exciting.
Bola
Some
ini.
very good build-up play. He crosses it in. A great ball in. It deserved a better fate.
Halo bro, yang mau request buat lagu apa silakan
To the last
kasih
half hour of
saran
the game.
judulnya, mau lagu Minang atau lagu apa. Soalnya saya sudah bingung bro ini.
Chance for a counter then. No, it's been picked off.
Gagal.
Oh, he plays it long.
Kalau juga sih. Bagus.
He had the range, but not the accuracy. It just goes to show you how effective the counter-attack can be, because when you move the ball at pace like that, it only takes seconds to create a threat.
Intro cawe.
Benzema.
Apa?
It's over the top.
Oh ini
The keeper's got it.
Apa tadi?
di kamera.
Ini sampai apa itu bisa ngomong?
Now Tony Kroos
Bisanya. Dia punya petnya. Besar banget gitu.
tried to play it through.
Ini mana?
Isi mania.
Benzema. Modric. Angelo.
Kan
And he chooses the option of the back pass.
Benar.
This is promising. What can they make of it?
Terus fokus.
Tony Kroos. 75 minutes on the watch now.
Terus. Kuat.
Intercepted. Angelo, whose goal-scoring skills have already been seen. Going forward, he may need some support. Breaking out quickly here.
Terus lagi. Terlambat.
It is ready through.
mania.
The linesman's kept his flag down.
Rodrigo.
Benzema. He really should have put that away. He could have made the game
Malah
safe.
barat nih.
Such a big disappointment. Goes. Free. Skips the throw. Onside.
Offside di mana? Offside bisa
Time
dibunuh.
is of the essence for the side that trails. That's a foul. Free quickly at the scene of the crime. Real Madrid with a set piece.
Engkau kirim ulang saya soalnya video tuh dia bisa download. Ini nih sudah PSBB nih, dia bisa nih. Ini teman satu orang Malang, nyasar sampai Joget.
Dia mana di mana?
Tahu deh.
Tanya dia mana di mana?
Engkau Malang di mana no? Malang. Engkau Malang daerah mana?
Tony Kroos
Itu terus mana?
tried to play it.
Sabar.
And he's there to cut it out.
Dia tuh kurang apa?
Nende. Orang mana saya pun Italia bos. Italia kalah nanti.
And that brings to an end 90 minutes of football. Just the one goal.
Orang
enough
mana
to
bang
win the
Lembata
game.
bro.
But you know, it's not easy to hold on to a lead over a long period, but I thought they showed great shape, good
Ijen
discipline.
kan?
You see the whole thing through.
Kalau dia ada izin,
Jengkok.
saya belimbing.
Hah? Belimbing tuh kan?
Pasar
Saya
belimbing.
belimbing saya.
Mana?
Belimbing.
Oke, nanti sama main di situ juga. Nanti tunggu
Belimbing kau tetap bersuat Soekarno Hatta. Jangan Soekarno Hatta.
bisa pakai juvir.
Medua yang berarti. Tema nang 4
Oke, yang mau request ragu silakan tulis di kolom komentar ya.
Mau jangan langsung gue ini.
Gue juvir.
Oh maka.
Biar saya salahin sih. Nanti.
Aduh, tengok saya ini saya. Ganti. Kembali mana?
Baik.
Baik lagi.
Biasa. Oh, berarti jauh ke saya di Batu.
Kenapa?
Saya diizin deh.
Gimana? Kalau guys.
Saya suka dan juvir punya ini dia. Informasi tiba aja. Maksa begini.
Selamat sore.
Welcome to this clash of two of the most
Seria
prestigious
mainnya di
Italian teams.
ya.
I'm John Champion. Jim Beglin's the co-commentator for this, and we're at Santiago Bernabeu. Hi, John. Hi, everyone. I'm really looking forward to this match.
Bilang apa itu teman?
Pasang.
The teams then, Juventus
Ini tak pasang.
intercepted.
Kan ada yang bergelar. Pasang lain ini bergelar dari gol.
Cristiano Ronaldo. He parries it.
Mungkin tak pasang.
An early shot across the bows. That's a pretty
Tidak le.
He really got hold of
Tapi
that
biasa
ball.
menjudi.
It's not going to trouble the people from there. And it's hooked away. Got it. Stopped him illegally there.
Bukaku.
Benar-benar luka.
Lagu yang mana bro? Yang cocok buat tahun baru? Lagu yang mana?
To thread it through. It's come through to him.
Bilang hebat dulu.
Buat tahun baru.
Kembali.
Now the counter attack. Vidal. Cristiano Ronaldo. Now the chance. And out it goes for a corner. A moment of temporary relief. A cross. Great technique. Oh, he tried the spectacular there. Oh, that's
Okay.
fantastic
Ulang.
improvisation.
Tinggal di
Just
tinggal di.
moves out very quickly. It's
Ada
rare that
pustakaan daerah.
No,
Very
back
second
to control in the end. Oh, they really wanted that. There's so many players in the box. Everyone's committed to attack now. Well, to have had a few attempts already in this game bodes well for what's to come. It's been a very bright start for them. Sit out.
Hei,
Skillfully hit.
Badak,
Great chance for the counter.
badak.
Quarter of an hour played. Oh, he plays it long.
dewa, dewa.
Perisic. Bonucci. He's looking to play it into the channel.
Ah,
Well, the Passing is not quite the problem. They just need better movement if they're going to drag this defense out of position.
Udah kerja dong.
The flag stays down. Sloppy pass, intercepted. He's got in. The ball's with Cristiano Ronaldo. Absolute screamer.
Guy.
Scored an absolute
Goal,
wonder
bro,
goal.
goal.
And the first goal goes to Juventus.
Gol guys.
What a goal. Cristiano Ronaldo.
Asik ini.
They get us underway at 1-0. Oh, this fella's Mr.
Thanks,
Reliable.
Sam.
Whenever you need to find a goal from somewhere, he delivers. What a top man.
Makasih bro, kalau ada videonya bisa kirim kah? Nanti saya kirim WA-nya. Kalau ada videonya bisa minta kirim kah?
And he was alert to the danger. They're just not realising their potential. They have to find the next one. Cuadrado. Just over 15 minutes remaining in the first half. Loses out in a position of some promise. This is onside. Chance. He decides to shoot. And it's taken with some style. 2 goals to the good, and they're set fair. And Cristiano Ronaldo
Rocky
does what
NMG.
Cristiano Ronaldo does best. Well, that's one of his trademark runs.
Oke, siap-siap. Makasih bro. Salam.
So difficult to contain. What great potency. Now it's 2-0. Yeah, we've seen it before that 1-0 can be a fragile scoreline, but now that they have that extra cushion, 2 should be enough.
Itu daerah mana?
Plays it through.
Anu lagi.
They've been well positive. He plays it to the keeper. Now
Ini
Vidal.
salah nih.
Pecat.
It's on for him.
Mantap bagus.
Yep, offside there. Massive relief.
Itu pestanya di daerah mana bro?
Offside terus yang setengah mati memang ada.
Sandro.
Ini namanya kaku. Kaku bah.
No, it's been cut out.
Ya, itu lagi bawah.
And he's
Aduh.
going for it. And the keeper's there to claim it.
Saya
Well,
juga tahu juga.
He's done very well from that distance.
Apa?
Didn't get anywhere near the ball.
Saya sudah itu bohong itu boy bilang.
Juventus with a free kick.
Itu boy bilang lah. Ini ada buah kuah. Benar.
He's offside there, and the opposition defenders look pretty relieved.
Oh, oke bro, siap.
Oke, belum saya tahu bilang.
Get this forward.
Cuma tahu memang mau jemput juga deh.
He's going it alone.
Gol lagi.
Taken.
Tidak ada jalan kan.
Is it in? Another one. They lead by 3, and that may just about be that. A gentleman.
Bro, kalau ada lagu-lagu apa gitu bisa kasih saran nanti. Bisa buat remix.
It's fully deserved. Everything he had. He'll be taking the match ball home. Now, this has been an immense contribution from one player. He's been just a better player. Irresistible force for them. So it's 3-0 now.
Nah, terus.
Looking to palm open the defence.
Offside.
The assistant referee's flag was raised. Just
Lopez.
offside, good call. The referee blows his whistle to draw the first half to a close. Well, despite the score, I think they've been lacking creative. They haven't used the width of the pitch for me.
Lagi nih.
They're not really
Tahu
stretching
doang
the
nih.
position at all. That's got to be.
Makasih bro.
The scoreline is 3-0.
Eh?
Juventus against Inter.
Apa bro? Dybala.
He can take the shot on here. Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh, that should have been their fourth. Ball in. Out of play. That'll be a goal kick.
Susah. Pokoknya tiap 4 hari sekali saya upload lagu.
Lukaku. They may well get a bit more joy than the flag. The flag more space.
Coba. Ih, jangan.
Pass needed to be better there.
Alah.
He's a long ball.
Halo.
Well,
Benar.
with an easy
Eh,
decision.
baik. Apa?
And the referee needs to take some
Kenapa
action
dia
here.
ini?
He has to calm things down.
Aduh, Ciro kartu.
Apa?
He is
Merah
off.
bu.
First viewing, it didn't seem that bad.
Benar.
Lookable offence maybe, but the referee's got
Ah,
to
kita
straight
nggak boleh.
Dari
away.
belakang ini.
Ya. Oh, benar.
Oke,
Goldstone.
coba ayo.
Trying to play it through.
Nampak nih, kita pernah bola
Beautiful
semua.
through ball
Halo
over the top.
Dybala.
He's onside here. It's on for him. Nothing really to worry the keeper there. Well, it just goes to show you how effective the counter-attack can be. Because when you move the ball at pace like that, it only takes seconds to create a threat. No, beaten to it. That's a trick.
Apalagi
Inter looking at their options with this set piece. Well, it's a little
Boleh-boleh,
further out
manis
than he'd
lagi.
like, so he might just consider
Oh
himself
iya iya,
to
oke
this
oke,
wicket.
siap.
Vital touch by the keeper.
Bisa
A volley.
ditunggu saja bro. Nanti lagu berikut.
At least they've given
Itu
themselves
kaget-kaget langsung keluar bro.
this was, but the keeper will welcome those all day. That's not going to
benar.
Lagu yang manis, tapi bukan bola. Oke, suruh remix itu.
Slides it through.
Entah aku lari dulu. Ya, baru striker berbicara.
The linesman's kept his flag down. Quadrado. No, that won't be finding its target.
Apa?
And Coco tries to slide it past
Siap,
the
siap, bro.
defense.
Dia sustar baru.
No, it was cut out. Tries to slide it past the defense. And he's offside. The flag is up. Sandro. This is very pleasing on the eye. Great link up.
Bagus main kerang ini.
He's on for it.
Apa dia?
Seru.
Nah, saya belum tahu.
Inter looking at their options with this set piece.
Main ini. Cara tahu juga mana dia. Nah, udah ketara itu.
Really
Tahu
not
ini.
set piece.
Gak ada.
To it. He's onside.
Itu aja.
Minum air dulu.
Tumbuhan lain dari Hubungi itu lagi gepa. Acan itu lagi gepa Hubungi juga.
Oh, begitu aja.
Nah,
Itu Philip kena didengar lagi.
Telah beli beti. Apa? Acan lagi gepa pindah. Penasaran nak dengar lah.
Selesai.
Just offside then, straight off the last man. The referee's assistant pretty
Kamu
alert.
ya orang boleh main lagi.
Masih kereta ibu ke?
Masih pak, masih beli merek kemarin merek. Kami mana? Kamu main dingin, nanti aku kembali.
Here's a volley.
Aku boleh main lagi.
On this occasion, he knows very well.
Aku baru dapat bilang ini. Dia orang gitu.
Intercepted. Plays this forward. Tackler didn't get close.
Dekat selalu.
Got it. 85 minutes played.
Menang.
Free kick given by the referee.
Oke, selamat malam semuanya. Bye.
He's got two options here.